Hi, and welcome to Adells. Today, we're staying in, enjoying the quiet comfort of home, and I'll guide you through a calm manual pump session without any rush. If you appreciate peaceful, real-life tutorials, take a moment to like this video and subscribe so you can join me again. The beauty of being at home is that you can set up your space exactly how you like it. Maybe you're on the couch, in your favorite chair, or sitting by a sunny window. Choose the spot that makes you feel the most at ease. Before starting, gather what you need: your pump, a clean container, a soft cloth, and maybe a cozy blanket. Having everything ready means you can stay fully relaxed during the process. Sit with good back support, either upright or slightly reclined. Place a cushion or pillow behind you if needed. Let your shoulders fall naturally and take a slow, steady breath in and out. Hold your pump comfortably in your hand. Begin with slow, gentle squeezes, letting your body guide the rhythm. There's no need to force speed. A calm pace can feel better and be just as effective. If it helps, you can close your eyes and listen to something soft, gentle music, or even the hum of your home in the background. Keep your breathing deep and easy. Should your hand get tired, pause for a moment. Stretch your fingers, rotate your wrist, and maybe switch sides to keep things balanced. Comfort matters just as much as the process itself. Once you're done, store your milk safely and clean your pump parts. Then, give yourself a few moments to simply rest, knowing you've taken care of yourself in a calm, mindful way. Keep a warm drink nearby, like herbal tea or warm water. Taking small sips during short breaks can help you stay relaxed and make the whole session feel even more comforting. Wear something loose and cozy. Soft fabrics help you stay comfortable, which makes the whole session feel calmer and easier. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me on Adells. If this helped you feel more at ease, don't forget to like and subscribe for more peaceful guides like this one.